Good morning, class. Today in chapter 1 sets we will continue in exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2 the topic concerns is types of sets. In this chapter there are many number of sets: finite, infinite, empty, equal and equivalent. Those sets which has finite number is called finite set. Those sets which has infinite number of element is called infinite set, and the set which has no element is called empty set. Two sets are said to be equal if they have same and equal number of elements. And finally, equivalent set. Equivalent sets are those sets which has only equal number of sets. Then it is called equivalent set. Let us take some example for finite, infinite and empty set. Here is the first example. Set A. It is a set of x such that x is an even number. Now write the even number. We are discussing about natural number. So we have to write even number in natural number starting from 2, 4, 6, 8 and it will continue. We put 3 dot means it will continue. So which type of set is this? This is infinite set because the number of elements are infinite. Set B, x such that x is an odd number less than 10. In natural number we have to write those number which are less than 10. So starting from 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Here we see that these are finite number of set, finite number of elements. So this set belongs to finite set. Now in set C, write all the prime number lies in natural number. So prime number is starting from 2. 1 is not a prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So this is infinite set. For D, x such that x is an even prime number. Even prime number. What are even prime number? Check it in it. Only 2. Yes, 2 is only even prime number. So it is finite or infinite? Yes, it is finite set. Now one more example. Set E, x such that x is an even number, even prime number other than 2. Now tell me, here we see there are many prime number, only 2 is even prime. Can you tell me other even prime number? No, there is no such even prime number. So there we will write only this. It will represent empty set. You will write nothing in curly braces, or we can write phi, phi, phi. Phi is a Greek word, so this is also the symbol of empty set. Now last, x such that x is a natural number less than 1. Can you tell me any natural number which is less than 1? No, because natural number always starting from 1. So this is also a finite set. Sorry, this is also a empty set. Yes, now we comes to the next sets. Let us take a set A element having the elements 2, 4, 6, 8. B is another set having the element 4, 6, 8, 2. Element 2 is in A, it is also in B. 4 is in A, it is also in B. 6, 6, 8, 8. So here we see that set A and set B have same number of element, and the number of elements are also equal. It has only 4 elements, so B has also 4 element. 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8. Order may be not vary. So A set is equal to B set. This is the definition of equal set. Two sets are said to be equal if they have same number of element and the elements are same to same. In C and D, all are they also equal? Yes, we see here. C has A, E, I, O, U. D also has A, E, I, O, U. So C set is also equal to D set. So C and D are also equal sets. But in E and F, E set X such that X is a factor of 10. Right? This is the which form is this? This is set builder form. Writing in roster form, factor of 10 are 1, 2, 5, 10. F is a set containing X such that X is a factor of 15. This is the set builder form. Write in roster form 15, the factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. But here we see that set E and set F has same number of element 4 and 4, but they are different. 1, 1, 5, 5. In set E 2 is there, but here is not 2, it is 3 is here. So E and F are not equal set. E and F are not equal set. So what are they are? They are equivalent set. So equivalent set is denoted by this E equivalent to F. So dear students, on this behalf you will complete exercise 1.2 and I will send you one more videos. So through both the videos you will understand exercise 1.2, and if you have any problem you can ask your queries on my personal window. Thank you.